Energy loss in the artery is increasing again. Reduce community heating immediately. Prioritize future lab. This is the most classified and the most important.
Chancellor, that will hit billions of citizens.
Without a breakthrough from the lab, no one survives. Do it.
Sunny, community heating just dropped.
I am on my way. Hold on, Lena.
Sunny, Corona Hall cut community energy supply. Some power diverted elsewhere.
Lucian, what are you really trying to do?
Beep, beep. Community hospital energy is critical. If heating continues, remaining power can sustain ICU support for only 24 hours.
Move. We save lives first.
I bypassed Corona Hall surveillance network. The alley tunnel entrance is now open. Bubbly. Scan the third one on the left front. There is a wireless charging port for mobile energy storage vehicles.
Sunny, the onboard liquid-cooled storage is fully charged. Isolar Cloud virtual grid connected. We can power the hospital directly.
Yang, clear the way. Kai, suppress the patrol signals.
The Energy Center's quality inspector must have arrived. You're finally here.
Don't worry, I've got this.
Sunny, the abnormal fluctuation is rising again.
Lucian's solution must be flawed.